Okay, it's been a while. The subframe's all tacked up and pretty much ready to go. I've got the rear cowl that fits on well, and I've made a seat pan. So I thought I'd show all this work before it gets covered up, and then you won't see anything. So with the rear subframe, I've got a seat release mechanism, which I'll explain in a sec. The rear cowl, it's a bit ugly at the moment, but it's the right shape and everything fits well. Still got to do something about the tail lights and the number plate holder. This cardboard is for the seat pan to sit slightly above, because once it gets upholstered, that gap will be taken up by the leather. And here we have the seat pan. This has taken me about 3 weeks. I think I've redone it 3 times to get right, because I'm chasing perfection. It's been a little bit challenging because, you know, you bend everything into shape, and then as soon as you apply some heat from welding, it deforms, and it's just really hard. You just chase your tail. But I thought I'd show this now, because once it gets covered, you won't see none of this design, so this may help someone else. The way it all fits together is the cowl first. I'll probably cut this section out to make like a glove box, so you know this part will be removed, and then if you remove the seat unit, you got access to the glove box. That's what I'm thinking.